Okay. Oh my god, why the do I look like this?
Why do I feel like this?
I actually look like a bald man.
This is why we don't vlog at night.
Much better.
She's on the vlog. Wow. She was gonna follow. We're here in Lincoln's whip.
We out here.
There they are behind us. Going to the Fairly Parade, 4th of July.
Hey guys, we're looking for some chairs so that we can watch the parade. I'm thinking this one.
This is the only one.
I guess so. We're gonna have to make two.
Oh my god. Ew. I think she needs more like these.
There's one here. Oh, they're so cute. Perfect. We're here, we're at the parade. As you can see, there's a lot of people around.
We got our chairs.
This is the only day of the year that our little town is really lit.
True. This is my first time at the Fairly Parade. Yeehole. Update on the parade. Where is it?
I have sunscreen and everyone needs it. I'm waiting for the parade. It's been like 20-25 minutes.
25 years.
They've apparently started and I don't see them, so, you know, who knows.
Handhold is mad.
Yes.
Whoa!
Thank you, sir.
Yay! Look at this. We got the big one. In the shade, out the shade, in the shade, out. Update you when it actually starts. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Pretty slow. I'm starving.
Oh, yes. What do you want?
A burger. Big burger.
Okay.
My wallet can't keep up.
Yeah.
This is us pulling up in 2020. Do it for the vlog. What does he say?
Aruga.
That's super cute. Story time. Shanon worked there.
I worked there.
Perfect. Okay. She grabbed the bucket. Well, guys, this is the end. Freaking horses pooped a lot and it stinks. Good one, holes.
Good one. That was good. I liked it.
It is done now.
I did actually.
Okay, we're going now and maybe we'll do something crazy. We are getting food.
These veggie burgers.
You know it. Let the viewers know what's going on. Stay there, baby.
What do we got going on? So we're just finishing up here. Just added the cheese.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. We gotta put my cheese. That's like not.
Freaking. I don't see you grilling.
Yeah. What the heck?
There's Shanon. We're going to make a little cookout and we should eat outside here because it's so nice and hot and toasty. There she goes.
The cheese.
Doggy. we have in here? CSD. And
Hello. I'm just making brownies. So this is all the wet ingredients.
it's not a great thing to look at
No,
yet.
it's not very pleasant.
But it will be delicious.
Here we have the dry ingredients, which are not quite done. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more of this.
Now all the food is here. I have baby. Freaking, I'm so full. There's Lincoln.
I'm still going at it.
She is.
Not done yet. And there's brownies in the oven.
Oh my god, they're cooking up. How long?
We have 18 and a half minutes.
Damn it.
Well, they might be done soon. No problem.
I want to pee. We're going to swim. We should post on the squad Instagram. Everyone follow our Instagram at Squadstagram. Everyone else freaking didn't come.
They're like, oh, I'm too sleepy. I want to stay at home.
But it's so nice out. We go to family party. Perfect. She looks funny. Oh God. Oh. Help me. The bugs.
We're about to see professional gymnast on, what is this thing called?
Zip line.
On zip line.
Back to Shanon. This is how we get around in New Hampshire. Freaking. Hey guys. Time for an update.
So we went swimming a little earlier today,
Yes.
and we just got cleaned up, and now we're kind of just hanging out, waiting for it to get dark so we can go see the fireworks.
Yeah, we have a lot of time.
Oh my god, my hair.
So now we're having downtime, and we'll catch you when things get exciting.
See ya.
Bye, Hol.
Bye.
Hi guys, we are back from our nap, and we're heading to the fireworks.
Yep, we're pretty excited.
Yeah.
And we're not gonna let anything stop us.
Nope, nothing. Look at the sky.
We're at the fireworks. And whoops. We gotta go find Mel. Is this Shannon?
Thank you, do you see? You pulled the vlog
I was thinking that we forgot, and we totally did.
They're finding parking out here. Where are they from?
Lighting from the car hole.
That was really crappy.
It was.
I was here for it. Now we look horrible.
I know. But squad. The others are somewhere. We're going to meet one of our friends' boyfriend, and I haven't seen her for a year, so it should be exciting. And she's at the fountain. Okay. Where are we, Ho?
We're on the Lake Moore golf course.
This is the golf course. People like to watch the fireworks here.
This happens every year. It's one of the biggest events in our town.
Okay, we found them. Hold. My boobs.
Amazing eyesight.
Vale just injured my thumb because he did a trust fall without warning anyone. And I broke it. But yeah, we met the freaking friend Hole and her boyfriend.
It was good.
Yeah. But now they're gone. This is where we like to sit. Okay, guys. We're camping out.
In front of the lake.
Yes. Freaking.
Freaking hell.